This is a brand new 2013 Cadillac SRX. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a locking rear differential, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a heated driver's seat, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.